Team organizing committee. If organizing committee are not, let me invite Okiamat. Okiamat. Team Okiamat. We had the roads. Okay, fine. Let's give that to organizing committee now. Thank you so much, team organizing committee. And then team Okiamat. Okiamat clan. Okiamat clan. We have the road was just up here. Please to come and represent with Tom and the entire clan members. Thank you, that one now. Okiamat, the road of Okiamat, in church Kampala, and within Kampala. Thank you. Our team Kampala, the friends at Madam Ellen. Team Kampala friends at Madam Ellen.